Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi in a village area. First, let's explore your options. Many rural areas might not have traditional fiber optic cables, so we'll look at alternatives. We'll discuss how to identify the best internet service providers for your specific location and what equipment you might need. Understanding your local infrastructure is the crucial first step to getting connected. Now, let's dive into the different technologies available. Satellite internet is a great choice for very remote locations, though it might have a slight delay, often around 500 to 600 milliseconds. Fixed wireless is often faster if you are within a few miles of a tower, potentially up to 10 miles. For on-the-go connectivity, a mobile hotspot using a 4G or 5G network can be very useful. We'll also touch on how mesh Wi-Fi can spread your signal effectively. Setting up your Wi-Fi requires the right gear. You'll definitely need a reliable modem and a powerful Wi-Fi router, ideally one designed for larger areas. For those with weaker signals, an external antenna can make a significant difference, potentially increasing signal strength by 10 to 20%. Don't forget a power backup, like an uninterruptible power supply, to keep your internet running during outages, ensuring continuous connectivity. To get the best out of your village Wi-Fi, placement is key. Position your router in a central location, ideally elevated, to maximize its reach across your property, potentially covering up to 2,000 to 5,500 square feet. Keep its firmware updated for optimal performance and security. Always use strong encryption like WPA3. For very large homes or properties, a mesh Wi-Fi system can seamlessly extend your coverage, eliminating dead zones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.